Good morning, good morning, good morning. I realize that it has been a while since I've said that to you, but good morning. Good morning, and thank you, subscribers, for your support. I've seen that you're still watching and sharing my videos, and I want to say thank you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all that you do. Now, I wanted you to know that I didn't go anywhere. Yet I went somewhere. Yes, but before I show you where I went, what I've been doing, I wanted to tell you thank you. Yes, for subscribing to the channel, for sharing, just doing all that you do to support me. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. The last time I think I spoke with you, I did it in a short video telling you that I was considering cutting my hair. And I'm seriously thinking about that. And I'll tell you more about it in another video. But I want you to know that I have been taking some time off from working at the salon, off from home, and spending some time with family. And I want to show you exactly what I have been doing, or at least a little of what I have been doing. Part of my self-care mission is to spend time with my family. God has been good, and He's blessed us with wonderful children, grandchildren, and friends. And I just wanted to spend some time with them, and have decided that every month I'll take the time to intentionally spend time with my family. You'll see a little bit of what I've been doing and how I've been spending time with my family right after this clip. Now let's watch what I've been doing. It's slippery, Mommy.
And then how many altogether? Altogether.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
So 5 plus 3 equals what?
8.
Thank you, sir. Let's write it small. Great. Great job. What does the next equation say?
4 plus 3 equals.
What is 4 plus 3?
No.
What is 4 plus 3?
4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, wait. Let's run to right here.
Yeah, you need to take one off. You're right. So take it off.
Look, I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. What?
Take it off.
What was that? Mommy, please put on the floor.
We're gonna put that one down.
Wait.
Let me see.
It's the.
So it needs cleaning,
A
huh?
little blemish on it.
Oh, okay.
Blemish?
Okay, so 4 plus 3. 1.
What is the great? What? Just like it. Just like it.
Okay, put it on. Now, how many altogether? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many?
7.
4 plus 3 equals.
7.
4 plus 3 equals 7. Joshua, is that correct?
No.
Why is it not correct, JJ? It's too big.
It's 2.
Take a neutral strap. Take the cardboard. Think. Still gonna be enough. Put the transmission pan on the flat surface there. That's still enough.
Look. Obviously, the jack is right there. I got another jack. We got that, or we can put a jack stand in the front, or something in the front. No, we can't. I got no jack stand. We put something in the front. That way, that front has no movement in a sense.
Oh, come on. I keep thinking you gonna hook the thing together. You can hook it to the other side like this. Let it tighten up on the thread, on the cloth. No, not the hook. Put the cloth.
Oh,
Yeah.
but then I still got
Oh, you got to tighten it right there.
whatever that worked out. Yeah.
What?
Say it on back around. Say it on back around. Give me another. Now you ready? You get this in with another one.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
I got it. He went around him. I got it. That's on you right there.
Y'all putting it back in now?
No!
Oh.
You take it out.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm jumping the gun.
All day job on it.
Oh, I thought you told me 2 hours.
That's to get it
Get it
out.
out.
Oh, okay. I got you. From the...
That was not a pleasant sound in my ears or my teeth.
Oh, the sand.
Yeah. Ooh, you right. Oh, you right.
Yeah.
You good? You ain't about to slide on this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was fun.
That's good.
Y'all know what I thought, right? So glad I'm not helping y'all, because I thought y'all were going to put it on the chin.
I got my hand behind it. Hello, buddy.
Goodbye, buddy.
Yeah.
And that's the new torque converter. Okay. Say thank you, Aunt Kathy. Look, Joshua. Say thank you, Aunt Kathy.
Thank you, Aunt Kathy.
Okay. What's the name of this restaurant?
Juniper's Grill.
Okay.
Wow.
We got a glare on you, Nevaeh.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to get him.
Get them.
No, get him.
I got him. And that's me.
Oh, you trying to watch TV game?
Fancy.
Chicken tortilla soup.
Chicken tortilla soup. And this is our, what was it, Nevaeh? Crab, corn, chowder. Something like that, right? Oh, you can't even tell me because it's so good? Okay.
Go in the kitchen. You going to the fair this year? I want to. I haven't made it like 5 years. I ain't even around.
Shanny, what you waiting on?
The rest of my food.
What is that? Oh, okay. That's the rice and beans? Huh?
They have one more asparagus, yeah.
I was the only one that ordered asparagus, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I didn't order asparagus. I ordered the broccoli and cauliflower vinaigrette.
This pork chop is great.
Wow.
Oh, thank you. Cheers.
Pumpkin cheesecake.
Oh.
Some people used to eat
And I'm
like
going
this.
to taste that pumpkin cheesecake. Is it good?
Some people used to eat like this.
And Charles already started on our creme brulee. Look like Christmas.
Big he's gonna look when he's big.
7 months. 7 months in this size.
Delicious.
Easy, Yaya. Easy, Yaya. Jump, jump, jump. Easy, Yaya.
This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good. He's blessed me with family, friends, and my subscribers are my family. He's been good to me. I can't even tell it all. He said in his word he'd never leave me and he never forsake me. And he hasn't. And so I will continue to stand on his word. Have a great day. Before that, let me give you a 360 because you hadn't seen my hair in a while. And you saw that I really did nothing to it. And I'm going to go ahead and tie that band back around it and go out to the salon because I need that band on my hair to keep my hair back when I'm working. Have a great day.